In this video, I'll show you the best settings in Throne and Liberty to get the most FPS and performance. Now, what you want to do is you want to head into graphics. Screen mode, you want to put it on full screen. I'm just in window to show you guys, but make sure this is on full screen. Choose your correct monitor, and resolution should just be your monitor resolution. In here, brightness doesn't really matter. I like to put mine on a cap on 144, but obviously if you want to have the most FPS and you can handle more than 144, go ahead and change no limit or put it higher. Now after that, what you can do is VSync. You can have it on if you want. Depends on if you're having issues, then you can try and turn it off. Then when we come down here, what you want to do is enable the one that you have. If you have this one, turn this on. If you have this one, turn this on. And if you have Intel, turn this on. Now in here, what you want to do is you want to choose performance, not ultra performance, just performance like this. And this should be good. After that, what you want to do is head over to quality. In quality, this is super simple. Turn everything down to low. And once you come down here, what you want to do is make sure these are also on low, and shader should be on either medium or low. You can play around with this. Obviously, the more you turn it down, the uglier the game will look, but this is gonna increase your FPS by a lot. Now, if this is too much, what you can do is you can turn this down to medium, and then you can turn some of it down to low, like, let's see, character quality, shading quality, shadow quality. We can turn these down, and this one here, an effect. And then these you can also play around with. Like, obviously, like I said before, the lower you go, the more FPS you will get. Now, after this is done, there's some Windows changes that we can do. So let's just quickly go to Windows. Now, once you're on Windows, what you can do is you can right click and go to NVIDIA Control Panel. If you don't have this, just go to the next step. But if you have it, just open it up. And from in here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Manage 3D Settings. We're gonna scroll down until we find Power Management and choose Prefer Maximum Performance. After that, we wanna come down and find Texture Filtering Quality and choose High Performance. Once we've done that, what we wanna do is come down here and search for Power, edit the Power Plan. In here, go to Power Options and choose High Performance. After that, what you should do is come down here and search for Device Manager, open it up, and make sure that we update our driver. So go to Display Adapters, update the driver right here, and then we should be good to go. After that, right click on your desktop, go to Display Settings, or you can search for it down here. Go to Graphic Settings. In here, you want to enable Hardware Accelerated GPU. Once you've done that, come down here and search for Game Mode. Open up Game Mode, make sure this is on, make sure Game Bar is turned off. Once you've done all of that, the last check you can do is quickly check if you have a Windows update. If you have one, you can take it, and after that, you should be good to go. So restart your PC and then launch the game. Now you should have much more FPS than before. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.